Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Cadillac XT5 Key Fob. Start by prying open the fob with the key blade and a flat tool, being careful not to scratch surfaces. Remove the old CR2032 battery and note its orientation. Replace with a new CR2032 and press until it clicks. Reassemble the fob and test buttons near the car. If the fob still fails, clean contacts gently and retry. I keep things simple and practical for this step. You only need the key blade, a flat pry tool, a new CR2032 battery, and a clean cloth. Work on a soft surface to avoid losing parts. Use gentle leverage, not force, to open seams. Note battery orientation and metal contact positions before removing the old cell. A small magnifier helps if contacts are tiny or dirty. Clean with isopropyl if needed. Most issues are simple to fix, and I walk you through them. If the fob buttons are unresponsive after replacement, check battery seating and contact tension. Verify the correct CR2032 orientation and that the battery is new. Inspect the circuit board for corrosion or broken solder joints. If water damage exists, drying and professional repair may be needed. When programming is required, follow vehicle steps or seek locksmith help if the key will not sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.